What color of that? Wait a minute. I think I lost my conscience in the sunshine. I want. Oh, 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 oh. Wait a minute. Oh no, no, wait a minute. I think I lost my concentration. I should say. Oh no, no, wait a minute. I think I lost my concentration. Chong, ching, chong. Choo-ro-ro-ron, ching, choo-ro-ron. You, your comment. I don't see your comment. Where did you comment? Didn't see your comment. I don't see any comments here. I don't see any comments here in my Instagram. I don't see it. I don't see comments. Giahak man ni, uy. Ni ami wala gani ay. Wait a minute. I think I lost my conscience and okay, let it be. I'm wearing a black blazer. Yeah, I'm really wearing a black blazer. And I'm eating. I'm eating a food. I'm eating a food in my recent posts. I only see here are only one comment. Excuse me. I'm a little bit sleepy now. Going to sleep now. I'm sleepy. Going to do jogging tomorrow. I'm going to sleep now. I'm going to sleep now. Yeah, I sleep so early because I'm going to jog. Going to do jogging so early tomorrow. So early tomorrow jogging. I sleep usually around 12. Yeah, I told you I will going to jog. Jogging. You know what is jogging? You know what is jogging? Going to do jogging. I'm going to go jogging. Jogging, jogging. You know what is jogging? Yes, of course, I know jogging. Yeah, that's what